Smart Wi-Fi video doorbell camera. Price, $16.28. Specification, size, 144mm by 74.5mm by 32.3mm resolution, 1280 x 720 angle field of view, 166 degrees IR LED, 6 x 6 x 850mm Wi-Fi, IEEE 802, IEEE 802.3U, IEEE 802.3 AB 11B program N audio, two-way talk with noise cancellation recording, SD card recording device 20 seconds, storage 8G, 16G, 32G not included, battery, AC 16 to 24 volts can be used to charge the integrated battery 2 times 18,650 specification batteries total 6,800 mAh, runs regularly for 6 months. Not included, monitoring, device button, motion detection, remote live view notification function, pop-up notifications in 1 second wake up of the device, within 600 milliseconds power consumption, standby power consumption 200 microamperes, 170 milliamperes operation color, dark gray plus brown doorbell size, 8.2 cm * 8.2 cm. Features, support Wi-Fi? Movement detect? Alarm system? Compatible with the applications function, it can be applied for Android, for iPhone, for the iPad application software. Supports real-time audio and video chat with visitor. Support the image capture and video recording function. Compatible with night vision and integrated IR cut technology, available day and night. Rainproof, the doorbell can be installed outdoors, and you don't have to worry about it being soaked by rain. Package includes, 1 doorbell no batteries included, 1X package screws 1X user manual 1X doorbell receiver. Shop now shoppoint29.com.